RAM random access memory. This is a form of highly volatile computer data storage that stores data and machine code currently being used by the processor. It is extremely fast, but completely loses all of its stored information the second the computer is turned off, which is why you must frequently remind users to save their documents to the permanent hard drive. RDP Remote Desktop Protocol. This is a proprietary network protocol developed by Microsoft that provides a graphical interface for connecting to another computer over a network connection. As an information technology professional, you will use this constantly to remotely log into a user's machine to troubleshoot software issues without ever having to leave your desk. REFS Resilient File System. This is a modern file system designed by Microsoft specifically to maximize data availability and protect against data corruption. You will typically configure this on massive enterprise storage servers because it automatically detects and repairs corrupted data blocks behind the scenes, ensuring the business never loses critical information. RFID Radio Frequency Identification. This is a wireless system comprising two components, tags and readers, using radio waves to identify objects. You will see this used every day in corporate security badges, where an employee simply waves their plastic card near a door reader to gain physical access to a secure building. RGB Red, Green, Blue. This refers to an additive color model in which red, green, and blue light are added together in various ways to reproduce a broad array of colors. In modern computer hardware, this usually refers to the customizable LED lighting found on motherboards, cooling fans, and keyboards, which users configure through specific software. RISC Reduced Instruction Set Computer. This is a microprocessor architecture that utilizes a small, highly optimized set of instructions rather than a highly specialized set. You need to know that this efficiency makes it the underlying foundation for the ARM processors found inside almost every smartphone and modern battery-powered device. RJ11 Registered Jack Function 11. This is a traditional telephone interface that typically uses a 4-pin or 6-pin physical connector. While you will not use it for modern internet networks, you still need to know how to crimp these small plastic ends onto cables when hooking up older digital subscriber line modems or analog office fax machines. RJ45 Registered Jack Function 45. This is the standard 8-pin physical connector used exclusively for twisted pair Ethernet networking cables. You will spend a large portion of your career stripping copper wires and using a special crimping tool to attach these clear plastic connectors to wire up office networks and server racks. RMM Remote Monitoring and Management. This refers to a specialized suite of software tools heavily used by managed service providers to securely monitor and maintain client networks from afar. It allows a single technician to push out automated Windows updates or install antivirus software to hundreds of computers simultaneously without ever visiting the physical office. RPM Revolutions per minute. This is a measure of the frequency of rotation, specifically how many times a mechanical component spins in one full minute. You will look at this metric when buying traditional hard disk drives or computer cooling fans, knowing that a higher number generally means faster performance but also louder physical noise.